Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to send USDT from Tonkeeper to Kucoin. Now, of course, you need to have two things. You need to have a existing Tonkeeper wallet, and you need to have a Kucoin wallet/account. So when you're in Tonkeeper, as you can see here, and what you need to do to send from, let's say we have some USDT we don't have because Tonkeeper is acting up for like 2 days now. All you need to do is tap send. Here you need an address or name, which is your wallet address from Kucoin, and then you need a comment. Very easy. So now that we know what we need to do, we need to go to Kucoin. Now in Kucoin, what we want to do is tap on deposit, right? Because we're going to deposit USDT from Tonkeeper to Kucoin. And here what you want to do is just tap on USDT because that's what we are looking for. And here we're going to select a network. Let's just use F, right? ERC20. And here you're going to see, it's all blurred out, but you're going to see our address. Copy that, go to here and paste it, and then add a comment, and you will be good to go. So again, if you are loaded up with USDT, that it's not going to be highlighted as red. It's going to be normal. And it's a very straightforward process. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.